I would like to talk with you about backend stats code, or called HTTP stats code. There are standard response codes used by web servers to indicate the result of a client request, like from a front-end app or Postman and so on. And we use those codes when you return a response in your backend. You always send a stats code with a message data. And those are the most important stats codes. We got here 200 for OK, that means success. 201, that's mean created. You can use this when you create a new document in database. And 202 for accepted and 20 for no content. So if a stats code starts with 2, it means the request was successful. If a stats code starts with 3, it means redirection. The client, browser, or app must make another request to get the resource. Okay? So when you start with 2, that means success. When you start with 3, that means redirection. So you go somewhere else. Okay? If you start with 4, that means client errors. For example, 400, bad request. 401, that means unauthorized to do that. So you need to log in to get a token. And sometimes you are logged in, but you don't have the rule to do that thing. So you will get forbidden. For example, if you logged in as a normal user, not an admin, and want to do something that need an admin permission. 404 means not found. And so on. And for those codes that starts with 5, these mean the problem is on the server backend side, not the client. For example, internal server error, not implemented, bad gateway, service unavailable, or gateway timeout.